No, it was cool. It was real quick. It was nothing, you know what I'm saying, too crazy, but it was nice, show some love, show our support. And we came over to the graffiti wall now here. We're just going to come up here and kind of just get some shots up with my boy. Got a few people up here shooting a music video, people up here on some bikes, so we're going to, oh, my man Smoke Some pulling up. Ooh! I guess there's something going on up here, y'all, so we're gonna get situated, y'all. I'm going to get right back to it.
Special.
Sorry, we got another dollar shot.
Directing traffic?
Oh, man.
Yeah, right there.
Yes, sir. We want to get some shots up and shit with the car.
Oh, okay.
What y'all got going?
Me and my group about to show up. Silk and Javon now. We just made up. Just gonna chill for a second. And head to sick with us.
Where's the address at?
I don't know.
Hasn't been dated yet, huh?
No.
We're gonna go there next week. That's what we doing pretty much. We're on the same
Yeah,
shit.
that's what's up. Same thing.
How long for Sippy get here?
Huh?
How long for Sippy get here?
Who?
We're supposed to meet up at 8 o'clock.
Sick?
Yeah.
He coming here?
No, not Sick, Sip.
Still, with the bloody,
With the bloody challenger.
Oh.
The white one with the blood on the front of it?
Oh, okay.
And the red wheels?
We all supposed to be over here at 8 o'clock. I just got here early. Just to leave out the house, you know.
Oh, it's 7:50.
Yeah, so
Okay.
about like 8:15, be over here.
Wait around a little bit and then I let my man's dip.
But I let my boy know that you stop by and you look for him too, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
He'll probably be here. I'll be here for a little bit, get some shots and all. I gotta go.
Don't call for your face. I ain't gonna count it.
Appreciate it. Oh, yeah, this showing love, man.
I'm like, dang, I know they do it for you too, bro.
That's love. Yeah, you talking about cars across Texas?
Yeah. I see you. Did you make one there?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
I think I seen you in
I
that
was
one too.
there. I just finished editing that video, actually. I'm about to drop that video.
Oh, really? Yeah, I seen that.
That's love, bro.
Yeah, that's what's up, man. That's what's up, man.
I seen the car from you too. I ain't never seen him in person. I'm like, dang, I know that car.
So you had already seen my car before?
Yeah, just on YouTube, but I never seen him in person.
Yeah, that's what's up.
That's love.
Yeah, that's what's up, man. Hell
I
yeah.
know this, I had to come stop by and let them know, like, man, like, yeah. You know what I'm saying?
That's
I'm like,
love,
ooh,
that's love.
he love you though, baby.
Oh, yeah.
That shit tight though, bro.
That's love.
Yeah, hit that bit. Talking about this man's car turn heads no matter what.
No, break
Grabs attentions. Breaks ankles. There's not one single ounce of attention lost whenever this car is on the streets. Everybody want to see it or take a picture with it. They want to know about it. They want to know about it. Everybody asking about the babe. Babe, how did you get it like that? How did you do split double like that? How you get it right down the middle? Can I take a picture with it? Can I ride in it? I mean, question after question. Here we go, talk to me.
I can get out?
Yeah.
Come on, boy, all nothing. This is coronavirus break. If you ain't got no marijuana, I'm sorry. You got pink hat, purple hat, fuck you.
Make it last forever and ever. Say don't let our love in. Ooh, don't let love. Let me hear you tell me you want me. Baby, please say you never leave me. Ooh, girl, that would make me feel alright. Let me tell you, Abby, you want me. Baby, please say you never leave me, baby, until the morning light. Let me show you how much I love you. Let me tell you that I really need you, baby, baby, baby. I can make it alright.
What'd you say? Cheers, baby. But we got the cure. We got God on our side. Keep praying.
Okay, yeah.
That shit on TNT.
What's going down, my boy Sippy? What's the deal?
Damn, baby.
Chillin', man.
Back out there, bitch.
Yes, sir.
Man, did you see, we got y'all on the camera on his video from when we was at Sharpstown.
Shortstown.
Look at H-Town Shoot.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know it. Oh, yeah, I know it. Go for it. Give me one more, man. We gotta get out of here.
Goddamn coronavirus. They're jumping out the goddamn Pokemon ball with beards on and kissing each other, talking like they've been choked by the throat. If you see one of them use some high voltage electricity, stand back, they might be foaming at the mouth. And they're talking like they want a goddamn Papa Smurf. But what we do, gangster shit. Just like candy. Oh, you fascinate me. You clearly take me to that moment when I think about you. Oh, you nasty bitch. You're the reason why. But even though I'm real shy, ooh, had to slip it in. Expect your body, sneak and bend over. The way you move your skin, I'm your friend. Oh, she makes me flip from the ceiling. Why? We ain't throwing no money. I'm sorry. Even though I'm real shy, Oh, wait a minute. I'm having a reaction to the marijuana.
Jones. So, I used to have this van. Anybody that knows me knows this van. I call it a Bertha. It was a white 1995 Chevy Astro van. By the time I got done with it, it was white and gray and pink primer all over it too. I had, because I was in the process of painting. I gutted that van out. I took the middle seat out of it, only left the back seat, put blankets and pillows in there. I always kept a banging sound system in there. So much to where, in my personal opinion, and please somebody get in my comments and let me know if you feel different. Anybody that knows me, if you don't know me, don't say nothing. But if you know me, let me know. I feel like during my time in between 2005 and 2010, I had, if not the hardest hitting sound systems, I had one of the hardest hitting sound systems on the east side of Houston. And that's the North Shore area, Galena Park area. My van There was a guy who I know for a fact hit harder than me. He drove a Ford Explorer or whatever that small Ford SUV is back in 2005. He drove one of them. He had some 15-inch Alpine R-Type subwoofers, 2 of them in his truck, and they hit so hard. He would break the glass, he would always break that glass in the back of his truck. Always. He stayed replacing it. He had Lamborghini doors on it, he had blades on it, he had some lights in there and everything. His system by far the hardest.